7 to the power x plus 49 to the power x plus 343 to the power x equals to 39. We have to find the value for x. Now 7 raised to the power x plus 49, we can write it as 7 raised to the power 2, then whole to the power x, plus 343 as 7 raised to the power 3 whole to the power x equals to 39. Now when a raised to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n, and this we can also write it as a to the power n whole to the power m. So 7 raised to the power 2 whole to the power x, this we can also write it as 7 to the power x whole to the power 2. So 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x to the power 2 plus 7 to the power x whole to the power 3 equals to 39. Now let us consider 7 to the power x equals to a. Then we have a plus a square plus a cube equals to 39. Now let's check. If a equals to 2, then 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube minus 39 if it is equal to 0 or not. So it is 2 plus 4 plus 8 minus 39, so not equal to 0. A equals to 2 is not a solution. Let us consider a as 3. Then we have 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube minus 39. Let's check whether it is equal to 0. 3 plus 9 plus 27 minus 39 equals to 39 minus 39 equals to 0. Therefore a equals to 3 is a solution. That means a minus 3 is a factor. Now we have a plus a square plus a cube minus 39 equals to 0, or we can rearrange it and write it as a cube plus a square plus a minus 39 equals to 0, or a cube plus a square we can write it as minus 3a square plus 4a square plus a as minus 13a plus minus 12a plus 13a, then minus 39 equals to 0. Now here we can take a common and write a. Now in these two we can take a square common, so write a square, then parenthesis a minus 3 plus 4. We can again take a common and write a minus 3 plus 13 we can take common and write a minus 3 equals to 0. Now a minus 3 here is the common factor, so we take it a minus 3. Remaining factors are a square plus 4a plus 13 equals to 0. Now when a times b equals to 0, then either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. That means when a minus 3 equals to 0, in that case a equals to 3, and when a square plus 4a plus 13 equals to 0, this is a quadratic equation. We can check whether there is real solution or not using the discriminant formula. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real solution, where a is the coefficient of a square 1, b here is the coefficient of a, that is 4, and c here is 13. B square is 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 13. 4 square is 16. 13 times 4 is 52. So this is less than 0. That means no real solution. Now we have a equals to 3, and we consider 7 to the power x equals to a. So that is 7 to the power x equals to 3. Take log to both the sides. Log a to the power b is equal to b log a. Therefore this will be x log 7 equals to log 3. Divide both the sides by log 7. This gets cancelled. X equals to log 3 with base 7. This is the value of x. You can put the value of log 3 and log 7 and then find the final value, or can leave it here. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.